Every human alive today carries a habit that began thousands of years ago, a habit so normal that we rarely even question it. We cover our bodies, every morning. Everywhere on Earth. But the first humans who created clothing were not thinking about style. They were not creating fashion. They were fighting for survival, because before clothes became a symbol of culture, they were a desperate answer to one terrifying problem. The human body was not enough. For millions of years, our ancestors lived beneath the warm African sun. They walked across open landscapes. They chased animals for hours. They survived where speed, endurance, and intelligence mattered more than strength. Their bodies changed. Their legs became powerful. Their hands became tools. Their minds became their greatest weapon. But then something unusual happened. Humans began losing something almost every other mammal still had, their fur. And this created one of evolution's strangest mysteries. Why would nature remove a protection that kept so many animals alive? The answer may have been hidden in one of humanity's greatest advantages, sweat. Without thick body hair, early humans could release heat more efficiently. They could travel farther under the burning sun. They could chase prey until the animal became exhausted. A lion was faster, a human could last longer. But every advantage comes with a cost. The same body that helped humans survive the heat was suddenly vulnerable in the cold. And when our ancestors began moving into colder regions of the planet, they entered a world their bodies were never designed for. Imagine an ice age night. The sun has disappeared. The wind moves across the frozen land. A small group of humans sits close to a weak fire. The flames crackle, but the cold keeps pushing closer. A child moves nearer to the warmth. An older hunter sits silently, trying to save energy for them. The cold was not uncomfortable. The cold was a threat, because one freezing night could decide whether a family survived, or vanished forever. Unlike wolves, they had no thick fur. Unlike bears, they had no natural winter coat. Nature had given them intelligence, but not protection, so humans did something no other creature could do. They created what evolution forgot to give them. The first clothes were not beautiful, they were not colorful, they were not symbols of wealth. They were simple. A piece of animal hide, a desperate experiment. Somewhere in the ancient past, one human looked at the skin of a hunted animal, and saw more than food. They saw a possibility. They removed the hide, they cleaned it, they scraped away the unwanted parts, they dried it. They shaped it, and slowly, they created something completely new, a barrier between themselves and the wild world, a second skin. For the first time in human history, survival was no longer only about changing the body, it was about changing the environment around the body. But this creates a deeper mystery. If clothing was only needed for freezing temperatures, why did humans keep wearing it? Why did people in warmer climates also develop clothing? Why did every civilization on Earth create some form of it? Because clothes were never just about staying warm. They became something much bigger. The problem is, finding the first clothes humans ever made is almost impossible. Animal skins disappear, plants break down, time destroys almost every trace. The oldest clothing did not survive, but scientists discovered a clue, in one of humanity's smallest companions, lice. Tiny parasites that lived alongside humans for thousands of years. Researchers discovered something fascinating. Body lice are different from head lice. They depend on clothing. They survive in fabric close to human skin. Without clothes, they cannot survive. By studying the genetic changes of these tiny creatures, scientists found evidence that humans began regularly wearing clothing tens of thousands of years ago. The story of the first clothes was not written on stone, it was hidden in something almost invisible, and humans were not the only ones facing the Ice Age. Neanderthals also lived in a frozen world. A world filled with powerful animals, harsh weather, and constant danger. They needed tools. They needed cooperation. They needed ways to survive conditions their bodies could not handle alone. Just like us, they had to outthink nature. But over time, clothing became more than protection. It became a message. A person's clothing could reveal where they came from, who they belonged to, what role they had in their community. A hunter, a leader, a member of a tribe. Before humans wrote words, they were already telling stories through what they wore, and perhaps that is the greatest secret hidden inside the first clothes. They were never just pieces of material, they were proof of something unique. A wolf grows fur, a bear grows a thick coat, but humans create solutions. We imagine what does not exist, and then we build it. Thousands of years ago, an unknown human wrapped the first animal hide around their body. They did not know they were creating fashion. They did not know they were creating culture. They did not know they were changing the future of humanity. They were simply trying to survive one more night. But that small decision revealed something extraordinary. Humans were no longer waiting for nature to protect them. They had learned to protect themselves, and perhaps that was the moment we truly became human.